When two letters collide in Hindi and Sanskrit, they merge to create a single transformed sound. This process is known as sandhi. This interaction occurs across three primary branches of grammar: swar, vyanjan, and visarg. For this session, we will focus exclusively on the first pathway, the specific domain where vowels interact. To navigate this domain, you must understand the 5 foundational pillars that govern how these vowels behave during a collision. Dirgha sandhi is the first pillar. When identical vowels meet, they combine into their longest form, resulting in the a sound seen here. Look at the words satya and arth. The junction point merges the two sounds into satyarth, creating one elongated vowel. Guna sandhi follows a different path. This occurs when a or a meets a different vowel, shifting the phonetic quality to a, o, or r. You can identify guna sandhi by the single mark, the single matra, positioned at the top of the combined word. Deliberate pacing. While dirgha elongates the sound and guna alters it, both leave a distinct visual signature in the resulting matras. Yan sandhi represents a more complex friction point. Here, the colliding vowels transform into consonants like ya, va, or r. During this transformation, the preceding consonant is forced to shrink. In prati plus ek, the t becomes a half letter to accommodate the new ya sound in pratyek. Vriddhi sandhi is the fourth pillar, characterized by growth. It takes single matras from guna sandhi and steps them up to double matras. To identify vriddhi, look for double matras sitting at the top of the joined word, as seen in sadev. The mechanical difference is clear. Yan creates half letters by shifting vowels to consonants, while vriddhi amplifies vowel matras to their maximum state. The final pillar, ayati sandhi, requires a shift in focus. We move past visual marks and listen for specific phonetic outputs: I, of, and of. These sounds are embedded within 3-letter words. Pronounce nayan slowly, na, ya, na, and the internal I sound becomes clear. Try this yourself. Apply the ayati rule to bo plus uk. In 3 seconds, these merge into bavuk, revealing the hidden av sound. Mastering ayati sandhi means ignoring the shapes of letters, relying on pronunciation to locate hidden syllables. To simplify your study, we have consolidated these 5 identification markers into a single matrix. Take a screenshot of these triggers. Dirgha involves elongation, guna uses 1 matra, vriddhi uses 2, yan involves half letters, and ayati is identified by 3-letter sounds. Apply these markers to the following questions. Identify the sandhi in mahotsav and determine the correct structural split for atyachar. Post your answers in the comments below to verify your work and prove you have mastered the underlying logic of swar sandhi.